What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be working on the Evo. And today I'm just going to be installing a bunch of little accessories and little parts that are missing off the car. Like as you can see here, the roof trim is missing, and this is like a one part that goes here all the way to the windshield. So I'm gonna figure out how to put that on because I got all the clips in the drip molding. Figure out how to put it on. But I also have I have floor mats too that's missing, and I also have like a little roof wing that goes on top where the antenna goes. I also have like a little antenna too, and I think that's it. But I think I have something else. I'm just forgetting. But let's go ahead and try to figure out how to put these things on. Alright guys, so I did end up getting one on. I just want to get it one on just so I could figure out how. But it did come with a bunch of these clips, but I don't think I needed them because I mean it went in without the clips and it fits good, nice and snug. And then this is the roof wing I was telling you guys about. I did have to put that on first before because I want to put this on. So this sits right under it, so it holds it down. So I just need to put the other one on to hold the rest down, and it should be good. Alright, so we got our drip moldings on and our roof wing on. It did come with double-sided tape to put around, but I didn't put it on because I think it's pretty on there with just the drip moldings. So now I'm gonna go ahead and replace that antenna. And this is the little antenna I decided to go with. So it has like a little carbon fiber. You can't see. Wait a sec. You kind of see a little bit. Let me take it out the packaging. There you go. Little carbon fiber antenna. All you gotta do is literally find your fitting and then just screw it on. And there you go. We got our nice little carbon fiber antenna. And these are the floor mats I will be installing. They're from NRG and they're pretty cool. They say Evolution. So I got the floor mats in, and it looks a lot better just with the floor mats in. And I will keep it the original carpet, a lot cleaner. I also have this beautiful forged carbon fiber license plate cover that I was going to use for the Lexus, but I don't think the Lexus will mind if we use it on the Evo. I forgot to show these, but I got these cool carbon fiber bumper vents that go right here, and it's gonna look fucking sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these bad boys real quick too. They just screw on around the whole thing. did have to loosen up my bumper. I didn't take it off all the way, but I did have to take it off because this horn is in the way of the carbon fiber insert going in all the way. So as you can see, it sticks in a little much and that horn is in the way, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. So I did go ahead and just rotate it up because it was down, so now I just raised it up a little bit and just tightened that right there, and everything still fits fine. So we got our carbon fiber vents, bumper vents, nice and installed. The self-tappers are temporary, so don't worry guys. I'm gonna try to go get some black rivets, that way it kind of match and look like less noticeable. But that will be all for this video. We installed a bunch of goodies on the Evo, and we will be installing some more. Hopefully I'll get some Lexus content out soon as well. Also, I will be introducing a new car to the channel, so stay tuned for that as well. But that's pretty much all I got to do for today. But thank you guys for watching, and stay progressive.